Okay, you guys, so here it is. This is the cutest mini Target basket. This was only $3 at the Target dollar spot. And this is the back of it. How cute is that? Now, I'm not going to take the sticker out in case you guys want to keep the sticker on. It's up to you. So look at how cute this is. Tell me this is not cute. They have the regular size, and that is the mini. Just to show you really quick. The regular size. I'm going to show you really quick. Look at the difference. Like, that is the difference.
This one's small and this one's way bigger. That's the difference.
And this is small. So then that would be the mini. Just so you guys can look at it real quick. Look how cool that is. And this one has the handle as well.
You can feel like many kind of stuff inside.
Yeah, we're going to fill it up right now. So that's Manny talking in the background.
I know.
So here you go. It is so cute. It has the Target bullseye on both sides. And it has a handle. So this would be great to put your makeup inside as well. Like, it's up to you. Brush holder, whatever you want. Now, I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with some shredded paper from the dollar store. Because I thought this would be so cool. How cool is that? Okay. How cute is this going to be? This is going to be a mini gift basket. Okay, so the first thing I'm adding to this little gift basket is this adorable iron-on patches, and it has the cherries. I thought that would be so cute. And this is from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to add that right in the back. The next thing I'm adding, I told you guys, are the hand sanitizer cases. And this one is in the hot pink. I know a lot of people are like, I can't find them. So I'm like, I'm going to add this in here. So the hand sanitizer cases. This is in the hot pink. This one is in the white, which I love this color. It's going to be great for the fall. So I'm going to be putting both in here to see how that looks. How does that look? I think I'm going to have to bring it a little more here, like that. So you guys can have actually a better look. Let me move it. So I'm adding the hand sanitizer cases. Like I said, I'm going to add both of them. So there you go. You get both of them. I am adding the nail wraps. How cute is this? Let me put that right there. And the facial serum. So this one is that helps skin appear brighter. I like that one. I'm also going to go ahead and add the hibiscus hand sanitizer. Okay. And that one right there. I'm going to add the watermelon hand sanitizer. I'm going to go ahead and add the poppy scent, which a lot of people say this is like the Victoria one, Victoria's Secret scent. So there you go. I'm going to keep adding. I don't care if it doesn't fit. So how cute is that? Isn't that adorable? I'm going to bring it up so you guys can look at that. Who wouldn't want a little gift basket like this? Now, I would film it a little lower, but you guys, I'm in my kitchen table. Wait until I get a craft room. So how cute is that? You can give this to a friend. You can give this to your bestie. This is a great summer little gift, whoever would want it. And then I'm also going to add a Target gift card. Why not? Let's throw in a gift card. And I'm going to close it up. Where do we have room for the gift card? I'm going to put it right here next to the hand sanitizer. And how cute is that? This is a great little gift basket. Anybody who would get it would be so happy. It's just a thank you. So do you guys like the basket? I hope so, because it's a giveaway. It's for one of you lucky subscribers that have always supported me through the channel. This is a giveaway. I'm gonna leave the instructions down below. But how cute is this? Whoever wins it, you guys, it's adorable. Plus it has both of the hand cases. If I could fit more, don't worry, I'll fit some more hand sanitizers in there. I'm gonna fit as many as I can, but this is how it looks right now. So whoever wants to win this, go ahead and find me another subscriber. Help my channel grow. Share the video, share it everywhere. I'm not making it too long. I'm making it really simple. But you guys, how cute is that? I'm gonna leave the instructions down below. You must be a follower. And let's see what happens. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I appreciate you guys. Hopefully one lucky winner, I will be able to ship this little basket right to their home. Or whoever you want to give it to, it's even fine by me. And until next time, bye you guys.